Hey, have you ever wanted to get your music in a movie, TV show, or video game? Well, to do that, you need to reach out to a music supervisor, which is someone who selects, license, and manages the music for film, television, advertising, and video games, and then pitch them your music, and hopefully they will select you, and then you can get your music onto these mediums, and then you can earn sync license royalties. The problem is it's very difficult to track down these music supervisors, find their contact information, and not only that, but find the right ones that are more likely than not to say yes to you because they like your kind of music. So how do you do this? Well, now there is a brand new tool that does 90% of the legwork for you. It finds the music supervisors for you, and all you then have to do is reach out to them. It's called Sync Placement, and you can use my affiliate link in the description below to try it out. And so all you do is you type in and describe the sound here, the mood, the genre. So for example, maybe I have like dreamy synthwave instrumental mood. Let's say it's nostalgic, bittersweet. Genre, let's go electronic synth pop. Find supervisors. And so now this is not a database. This is actually going out and searching in real time to find the actual most up-to-date information. So it's not going to be like out of date, and it's constantly updating. So this is really cool. So now it's finding a bunch of different music supervisors. You can see it has their names here. We just click this button to find their contact info, and it's showing like what artists they licensed previously. So you can see Com Trues. That's definitely someone kind of within the umbrella of music that I make. Washed Out is another one. Interesting. M83 for sure. Tycho, love Tycho. And then we can load more here. So I also just went ahead and typed in my genre here of synthwave, and we're finding the Midnight. That's really cool. FM84, Gunship, Time Cop, 1983, Miami Nights, 1984. So that's really cool. We're already finding a lot of artists that are like similar to the kind of music that I make. So you could do this for whatever genre you have. Right, you can see you got all these different genres, but any genre, any kind of mood. So I can click now, find contact info, and that did cost a credit. So that's where the credits come in, is it does cost a credit to actually find the contact info. Then here it gives me their LinkedIn. So that's awesome. I can message them on LinkedIn, or I can send them an email. And then I can click this checkbox here and say save to project. I go my saved supervisors. Now I have them there. So I can go ahead and build the list, and then I can reach out to them and see what kind of results I get. I've also been making a lot more dark and moody stuff. So let's see what happens if we do that. Okay, under synthwave, it's kind of finding the same stuff. So this is where it can be a good idea to really, for every song that you make that you want to promote, really build out the different categories that it fits under, like what kind of moods, seasons, what emotions it creates, what kind of genres could it fit in. All that stuff helps you for a lot of different things, not just promoting it yourself, but reaching out to playlists, reaching out to music supervisors, all kinds of things. So that's something I'm going to break down to figure out how I want to describe my sound here. If I just said dreamy, getting churches. So really cool tool. Let me know in the comments below if sync placements and sync licensing is something that you're interested in learning more about, and I can create more content about that on this channel. But again, definitely recommend you try this out. You can grab my affiliate link in the description below. Now, if you're also interested in growing your Spotify streams, I have a free Spotify secrets checklist you can grab in the description below as well. And this kind of just walks you through a proven step-by-step system that you can follow every time you release a new track to give it the best chance it has on Spotify, so we can get into the algorithm, and Spotify can actually start promoting your music for you. So this guide's completely free in the description below as well. Now, speaking of sync licensing, I did a full interview with the man behind Synthwave Pro, and he has lots of experience and success in this field. So if you want to learn more about sync licensing, then just click the video on the screen right now so you can go check that out.